Now let's see the set operations which are available in SQL. They are exactly same as those are available in mathematics operations. So we have three such operations here: union, intersect, and then except. So union is exactly same as the union operation in mathematics in the set theory, and intersect is same as intersection in set theory, and except is nothing but the set difference in set theory. But then coming to SQL, we have two versions. So one version of these commands are going to allow the duplicates, and the other version is not going to allow the duplicates, right? So now if you look at these commands, which are union, intersect, and except, so in this case duplicates will not be allowed, but then there is a requirement that in some of the situations we might intentionally want to see the duplicates. So for that reason, if you want to allow the duplicates, you are going to use this, right? So union all, intersect all, and except all, right? So let's see where we need, how to use these two commands and what will be the outputs, okay, with some example here. So let us assume that, so let's see this table now. Let us assume that this is the table whose name is enroll, and now on this table we are trying to retrieve some information. So let's see this query first. Retrieve the list of student IDs who got either grade A or grade B. So which means from this table we want to find out all the students who got either grade A or grade B. So it is a kind of union, right? So it is a union between what? The set of all students who got grade A, union the set of all students who got grade B. So it is actually union between these two sets, right? Now let's try to find out what is the set of all students who got grade A. Now if you observe this, grade A is here, and then grade A is here, and again grade A, and again grade A, and again grade A, right? Therefore you are going to get 1 2 1 2 2 1 2 1 2 2. So this is the set of all student or student IDs who got grade A. Now why am I repeating this 2 and 1 these many times is, sometimes we might want to display the duplicates and sometimes we don't want to display the duplicates. Let's see how, when we are going to use that. And then what about the set of all students who got grade B? In grade B, if you observe it, here there is 2, here there is 2, that's it, isn't it? Therefore a student with ID 2 has got grade B 2 times. Okay, now let us assume that it is a version of the query where we don't want duplicates to be allowed. Then what we do is we write this query. First we select the students from the table where grade equal to A, then we are going to get this. Then we select the students where grade equal to B, then we are going to get this. Now if I directly write union, only union, without writing union all, then we know that duplicates have to be, should not be allowed. So what happens is, in this case we are going to get, so in this one we are going to get 1 and 2, and anyway 2 is listed here, therefore this one will be the output if I write union, right? Now let us say I am going to write union all. Now what happens in this is, I want to display even the duplicates also, so everything will be displayed. If I write union all, so you can see this, the output of union is going to be this one, and the output of union all is going to be everything including the duplicates, right? Which means all this will be displayed along with this. So which means we are going to see 1 2 1 2 2 and then 2 2. Right? So why do we want to display this duplicates also is, sometimes we want to count the number of instances or number of occurrences exactly, then it is going to be useful. Or you want to find out the average, then also allowing the duplicates is going to be useful. So in that case you are going to allow it. Now similar to this union, we have even intersect and intersect all queries also. So let's see what happens if you want. I'll just try to change it. Retrieve the list of student IDs who got both grade A and grade B. Let's say who got both grade A and grade B. Now what is the meaning of it? Now we want to see the students who are in the intersection, right? Again there are two versions. right? In the query, if they're asking that find out all the repetitions also, then you are going to write it in one way. If they don't want the intersection repetitions, then we are going to write it in another way. Now let us say I'm going to use, since it is intersect, I don't want to see any repetitions. Then if I write it this way, intersect, okay, then what is that you are going to get? In the intersect, if you write it, see what is intersection? Here there is 2 and here there is 2. So we don't want any repetitions. Therefore, the output of intersect will be simply 1, which is 2. Got it? Now let us say I want to see even the duplicates. Then I am going to write intersect all. Now how will the intersect all behave is, find out what is in the intersection and also find out what is the number of repetitions of that intersection, which means here 2 is repeated 3 times and here 2 is repeated 2 times. Now find out the minimum of these 2 and you are going to write there, right? Therefore intersect all is going to contain, see 2 is repeated 2 times and 2 is repeated 3 times. Therefore you are going to write 2 as 2 times. Why? Because 2 is repeated 2 times in both of them. You cannot write 2 3 times, that implies that 2 is there 3 times in both of them. By writing this 2 times, you are clearly saying that 2 is there 2 times here as well as here, which is true. Got it? Okay. And now let us say we want to find out the list of students who got grade A but not grade B, right? Who got grade A but not grade B. Okay, now how are you going to do that? So here you are going to write except. Again the except is going to have 2 versions. One does not allow the duplicates and other allows the duplicates. Now you are going to write except here. Right? Now if I write except, what will happen is it will treat as if there are no repetitions here, and then you are going to get only 1 in the output, isn't it? If I write except, then it is going to treat as if there are no repetitions and it will just do the set difference as it is, which means it is going to show 1 2 here and 2 here, and the output is going to be 1. Right? Now in case if you want to see the duplicates as well, then you are going to write except all. When you write except all, consider this as if there are repetitions, and then take every occurrence here and you try to strike it off there, right? Which means if for this 2 you have to strike off 1 2, which means you are going to strike it off, and for this 2 you have to strike off 1 more 2. Got it? Now whatever is remaining, just write it there. So what do you get in except all? In except all you are going to see what is remaining here, 1 1 2. Therefore you are going to see it as 1 1 2. Got it? So this is the difference between using all and not using all. Got it?